Do you ever feel like no matter how much you scrub and tidy, your home just never feels clean? Dust seems to creep into every corner, stubborn stains refuse to budge, and that overwhelming mess can be so stressful. Imagine walking into a space that feels fresh and inviting, where you can finally breathe easy. Life is busy, and between work, kids, and daily responsibilities, finding time for a deep clean feels impossible. But it doesn't have to be that way. With our professional cleaning services, we specialize in transforming homes into spotless sanctuaries. Serving the entire Maryland area, we bring comfort and a healthier environment right to your doorstep. You gain more than just a clean home. You get precious free time to enjoy with loved ones, less stress knowing the heavy cleaning is handled, and a space free from germs and allergens. Clients rave about the difference we make. One said, "Ever since I started using this service, my home has never been the same." Another shared, "The team is amazing and the cleaning is flawless." Let us help you reclaim your space and your peace of mind.